guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing the Meghan Markle royal wedding inspired makeup tutorial. Unfortunately, I did not get to watch the wedding just because I had my college graduation on that day, but I've been studying pictures and just looking at her makeup, and I just really liked it because it was different from the normal Instagram makeup. You know, I didn't see a contour. You could see the freckles on her face and imperfections. She didn't have like Instagram brows. I just thought it was a nice change, so I thought with it being wedding season, I would do an inspired look from that. The only difference is I think my eyeshadow is a little bit warmer than hers is. Hers is a little bit more cool toned, but it still has that similar smoky eyed but still kind of natural effect that she has going on. If you want it to be more like hers, don't go for quite such orange colors. I don't know, it was an inspired look and I just felt going a little bit more warm tone, but using cooler tones you'll get that same effect that she has. Anyways, if you want to learn how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so to start off this look, I am using the Smashbox Photofinish Primerizer. I just chose this because I want a really well moisturized skin. Next, I'm using this Cushion Foundation. I like this because it's very light coverage and you can still see my imperfections underneath, but it is just evening out my skin tone, just like Meghan. So choose something really light coverage. And now I'm using the Maybelline FitMe concealer, and I'm just putting a little bit just to get rid of my dark circles, but not much. And I'm blending that in with my Real Techniques sponge. Next, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I'm just going to lightly fill in my eyebrows. Now, if you notice, Meghan didn't have the Instagram brows, so I'm just lightly going over them to fill them in, but nothing too crazy. Now I'm using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Spotlight, and I'm choosing to use a liquid highlighter because I don't want it to be powdery so it looks like I'm wearing makeup, and this was perfect. It just gives the lightest sheen to the face. I love that I did this, and I'm using a sponge to blend it more into the skin. Next, I'm using the Prescriptives, I cannot say that word, magic powder, and I'm just setting my T-zone. This has a shimmer to it because I want my skin to be really glowy. And now I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to lightly put that around the edges of my face to bronze me up a little bit. Meghan looked bronzed, but there was not much noticeable contour. And now I'm using this light shimmery pink blush just to give my face a little bit of a blush, just like Meghan's. Now I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette, and the first thing I'm going to do is mix these two colors and basically put them everywhere. Now this is where I messed up because it's a super warm palette and her makeup wasn't quite as warm, so definitely go for cooler colors if you want it to be more similar to hers, but if you like it warmer, completely follow what I'm doing. And then I took this shade on a blender brush and I actually just placed it on my lid. Again, a super warm color. If you don't want it to be that warm, pick a cooler, deeper brown than what you used in the transition area. Now I'm actually using this cooler brown color on a flat shader brush because I wanted to cool down the look a little bit. So as you can see, we're starting off with a lighter transition color, and as we're going down onto the lid, it's just getting darker and darker, and then I'm going to blend that brown a little bit. And now I'm taking this black shade on a pencil brush, and I'm just going to kind of pat that all over my upper lash line. And then once you do that, it can be messy because we're just going to blend, and I'm blending it out into kind of a cat eye shape because Meghan's eyes are very upturned and, you know, a little bit cat eye-ish. Now I'm taking this cool brown, the same color we put onto our lid, and I'm just running that along my lower lash line because Meghan loves a smoky eye, and in her makeup tutorial, or in her wedding, it just looked like it was a little bit of definition there. I'm throwing on some mascara, and I'm using the Ardelle Demi Wispies for lashes today. She might not have been wearing lashes, I don't know, but I have no eyelashes, so I definitely wanted some lashes, and these are perfect. They're really natural. And now I'm using the Maybelline Blushing Pot lipstick. Her lips looked a little more pinky toned. Now it was basically a very natural lip color. This is a little bit more pink than what she wore, but as this color wears, it's going to look more similar similar to the color she was wearing. And I'm just putting a little bit of gloss, and we are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial because I didn't film an outro. Have a great day, guys. Bye.